I think it is wasteful to throw it away.
I think so. Can we use this in another way?
Wow! It's a beautiful flower!
Huh? But this is not a real flower.
What thing did you use to make this flower?
Marker.
Ta-da! The mask flower is blossomed. When you put your mask on, did you throw it away after use? Today we will make the mask flower with masks which are thrown away every day. Isimbi and Shema, Keza, are you ready?
Yay!
For the materials we need a mask and a pair of scissors. First, please cut this part. And do not throw away this line. And this part which does not have wire, cut it like this. And please cut this part and that part. And please cut like this. The important thing is, do not cut widely. Please cut narrowly. If you do like that, it will be more beautiful. And then please cut here a little. And please remove the wire. It will be dangerous, so you can tell your parents to help. And please bend the tip of wire. Then hang on one end, then roll until the end. You must have power in your hand. And please tie here with the line which was cut just now. After finishing to tie, please cut the line, but don't cut all of the line. And please cut here, here, and here. And please spread. Now we will make 6 petals. Please cut like me. If you feel difficult, first you can draw and cut according to the drawing. And bring stamina and combine one by one. After finishing, please tie with the line. And please cut the line. After arranging the petals, it's done! Finish!
Today we made the mask flower. How was it, Cindy and Shema?
When we put a mask and we throw away, it was so wasteful. But when we made a flower like this, it made me so happy.
The flower is so beautiful, so I want to give to my best friend.
I hope also you make this beautiful mask flower and give to your best friend. See you next time. Bye bye.
What are we going to make next time?